Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share two DIY planters which I've made from waste material, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And if you enjoy the video then please hit the like button and let's get started. So for the first planter I have taken two empty tape rolls and a circular cardboard piece which I've cut according to the size of the roll, and then I'm going to stick all the three pieces using clear tape. And now our base is ready, and now I'm going to take a bowl and I've taken 5 tablespoons of POP, and then I'm going to add some water and glue and I'm going to make a lump-free mixture. The consistency of the mixture should not be thick or thin, but it should be of a medium consistency. After mixing it really well, now our mixture is ready, and now I'm going to apply this mixture on the cardboard rolls using my hands. You can also wear plastic glove or use a paintbrush instead of using your fingers. Apply the mixture in a good quantity so that the planter is quite hard and stiff. Once the mixture was semi-dry, now I've taken a pencil and I'm going to make a wooden pattern. And this is how the cardboard looks after drying, and now I'm going to paint this using brown acrylic color. And then to paint the cardboard roll from inside, I have taken mustard acrylic color. And now to give the planter a finishing effect, I am using golden dust. And with this, our first DIY beautiful planter is ready. And no one can guess that we have made it from waste tape rolls. You can use this DIY as a planter or a pen and pencil holder as well. let's move on to our second planter. So for that I've taken a waste plastic bottle, and after removing its label I've taken a permanent marker and I'm going to draw the shape of the animal. And now using cutter, I'll cut on the drawn lines. After the bottle is cut, now I'm going to paint it using turquoise blue color. And once the blue color was dried, now I've taken purple acrylic color and I'm going to make the circular patterns. And now I've taken a black permanent marker to draw the face. And here I've taken a broad tip permanent marker to make the outlines of the purple acrylic color. And with this, our beautiful second DIY planter is also ready. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos, and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. Thanks for watching.